Okay, this is the 1983 CK20 454 Turbo 400. This is actually a cleaner truck. Everyone's giving me a hard time with this. It's from Texas, this truck. It is not that bad whatsoever. I mean, it's not even bad at all. This is a very clean truck underneath. 454 Turbo 400, big tires. He's got all the good heavy duty stuff with the lift headers, dual exhaust. Needs to be driven and cleared the carb out. That's basically it. This is a clean truck. This thing's way better than I thought. Actually, it's much better than I anticipated. That's a cab corner right there. That looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good.